yet again in my basement. Probably can't see because my stupid iPad takes a while. So yeah, yet again in my basement. I still have my dartboard. Actually, I forgot to turn the light on. I literally just passed the light switch. That switch is taped off. I don't know what it does. But I don't even think the owners wanted us pressing it, so yeah. Yeah, I still got my dartboard. So, I have a very special review. So, a Zippo lighter. It doesn't have any lighter fluid in it. Let's set you down real quick. I'll open this up. Now, yes, okay, here, let me set that down. Okay, yes, it might look like an ordinary Zippo lighter. But if anything, my dad has taught me anything. This isn't an ordinary Zippo lighter. Here, hold on. It's a KISS Zippo lighter. Now, it's a KISS Army Zippo lighter. Established, or well, not established, 1999 KISS catalog LTD. Like I said, this doesn't have any lighter fluid, so all it does is, yeah, nothing else, just nothing else, just that. Well, yeah. But yeah, overall, I like it. It's a nice Zippo lighter. But yeah. Remember, face reveal at 100 subs. So goodbye.